Hi guys, my name is Mike Grosek. I'm out of Sturgis, South Dakota. I've been playing drums for about 20 years off and on now, and I play with a country band called the Brandon Jones Band out of South Dakota. I prefer mostly the 7A, but the 5A sticks are also awesome depending on the venue and how hard I want to hit. The first thing I noticed with Collision Drumsticks is how durable they are. I can do multiple shows using the same pair, which is awesome, saves me some money. Some things I like about the Collision brand, they are super helpful when you're shopping, when you have questions, through the whole process. They're right there when you need them. And being out of the United States, it's a long trip to get to the Collision office, so it's nice to have them answer the phone or email right away when you need them. The song I'm about to play on drums is from the recording. We haven't released the song yet. It's called 14 by 80, and this is just a video of the recording process with drums mixed over the top. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.